Hey guys, Lori here. Welcome to my video. Rob and I are always looking for new ways to be healthy. Rob is away on a business trip and I just decided to try something new. If it works out, then I think we'll do it together when he comes back. I have ordered Hungryroot. I've been wanting to do this for quite a while. The food is vegan, gluten-free. It's supposed to be really easy to make recipes. They send you the whole thing. I'm really excited to get started. I just ordered it. Should be here in a few days. I think it's originally $80. With a coupon code, I got it for $35. So if this works out, it'll be a really nice addition to my diet. Here is my box from Hungryroot. This little beast, Fritz, has claimed it. I just lugged it up the stairs. It's like 10 pounds. Hi, baby. I think it's kind of cold, so it's a comfy spot for him right now. All right, so I'm gonna dig into the box. Hopefully it's not too difficult to get into. Let's see. I'll show you guys what it looks like when you first open it. Okay, wow. It's interesting. So, take a peek. I think maybe, oh, okay. I thought that was the food. I think this is cold. Wait, yeah, I think this is the stuff that's supposed to keep it cold. Here's this little book. I think this has, let's see. Oh, these are all the recipes for like how you're supposed to do this, the food that you get. All right, so I'm definitely gonna need that. Wow. Oh, this is really cool. This is like a block of ice. Oh, so this is like padding. Okay, wow, everything's in here. Okay, guys, look. Looks really cool. This is just the list of all the things I ordered. I actually looked through and chose things that I knew or that I think I'm gonna like. It sounded interesting to me. So this wasn't just the meals that they had decided on. All the stuff that was in my box. A lot of food. I cannot wait to make this stuff, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. Let me just go through some of the items. So here's cucumber, corn, black bean salad, Italian or chickpea medley. This is a kale beet blend, kale pesto, cucumber, corn, black bean salad. Oh, I got two of those, okay. Cauliflower rice, sweet potato mac, avocado crema, I don't know how to pronounce that, vanilla bean snickerdoodle dough, cashew cheddar, lemon, artichoke quinoa cup, which I'm shocked I ordered. That must be part of something. If I knew there was quinoa that I was ordering, because I do not like quinoa. So, stuck in there, hopefully it's not. It'll probably be good. Alright, I'm going to put my my preconceived notions of quinoa aside. And chickpea Alfredo. It is a little after 12 on Tuesday. I have a snow day today, so I thought I would start making some of the Hungryroot food. I'm gonna be making the avocado chickpea noodle bowl. It says it should be ready in 9 minutes. I'm going to have half of it for my lunch and half of it for my dinner since there are 2 servings. I also think I'm going to be making the, let's see, it is the sweet potato mac and cheese. That's the only side that I chose to get. So that'll be a nice thing to kind of supplement my meal. So I'm gonna make that today since I have the time. And I'm also going to make the vanilla bean snickerdoodle dough cookies since those do need to be baked. And say to heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. So I'm gonna start with that. Next, I'm just going to add the sweet potato ribbons. It says to let these cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Now it says to add 1 container of the Italian herb chickpea medley and then let that cook with 1/3 cup of water for 3 to 5 minutes. Let's do that. Waiting on my lunch to finish cooking, I thought I would make the vanilla bean snickerdoodle cookies. It says that this is ready to eat, but you can bake it in the oven. Here's the dough. Because you are supposed to be able to eat it straight out of the packaging, I think I'm just gonna try a little bit and see what it tastes like. It smells amazing. Let's see. Oh my god, it's so good. Now it says to add the avocado crema and turn off the heat. So let's do that. Big bowl. I don't know how filling it's going to be. I can't talk today. And there's tons left. It's really good. It says to add salt and pepper for your to your taste. I'm definitely gonna add some salt to it because like I like my food really salty. I like my food unusually salty. That's just me. But yeah, it's really good. I'm excited to eat this. I just wanted to show you guys that I have my little assistant Fritz in the kitchen. So I made 6 cookies. It says that there's 9 servings, so obviously mine are way bigger than they're supposed to. Now I'm just gonna add some coconut to some of them. So this is just some shredded coconut from Walmart. It's just the Walmart brand. I may have just eaten more of the dough. It's really good. It's been 20 minutes. I just finished eating my lunch and the timer just went off, so let's check on the snickerdoodle cookies. What did I just do with, oh, here we go. I need this. All right, let's see. Okay. Well, they did expand quite a bit. I don't know why I did not think they were going to expand that much, but it's okay. Actually, it's fine. They're barely touching. All right, I'm gonna try one that has some coconut on it. I mean, it's really good. I honestly think that it tasted better when it was just in the container before I cooked it. If I was ever to get this one again, I probably would not bake it. I would just kind of make little balls, maybe with some coconut, and just eat it like raw. So, you know, live and learn. I wish I had saved some of it, but that's fine. I'm still gonna eat it. It still tastes pretty good. So it's significantly later. It's almost 5 o'clock. I'm going to be making the sweet potato mac and cheese. I have some oil heating up. I'm just gonna be adding what it says, sweet potato mac, which I think is just a bag of sweet potato. So that's going to cook for 2 minutes, and then you need to add half a cup of water and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. I actually let it cook for 7 minutes after 5 minutes. It just needed some more time, and now I'm going to be adding the, what's it called? Cashew cheddar. It's just called cashew cheddar. It's like a, this is the sauce, we'll call it. It says to add 4 tablespoons. Let's do that. Here, there's a lot left in the pan. I think I'm just gonna have this now as a snack. Let's see what it tastes like. I like it. I don't like as much as the one I had for lunch. It tastes pretty cheesy. Probably gonna add more salt to it, obviously. It's not bad. It's a little bit different. Does not taste like your traditional mac and cheese. It's definitely like a sweet potato with like a cashew creamy sauce. All right, guys, I'm gonna be honest. It has been over a month since I actually filmed this video. Life just got in the way, but today I'm gonna wrap up the video, edit it, and hopefully upload it really soon. Final thoughts on Hungryroot. The food was pretty good. I am not a vegan. I think if you were vegan and you were kind of used to not having any meat in your diet, maybe this food would taste absolutely delicious. It did taste pretty good. I have not reordered it. Not to say I won't in the future. Rob hasn't tried it since he was not here when I was like cooking it and stuff. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it was pretty good. It was so easy to make. It was super filling. The food, I mean, it was good. It wasn't amazing. I'll put the coupon code, I hope it still works, in the description bar, so if you guys want to try it, you can. I mean, for $35 for all those meals, you really can't go wrong. I did try the rest of the food. Some of it was great, some of it was not as great. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big ol' thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment below. You can follow me on Twitter at lauriekoehler, Instagram at lauriekoehler, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys!